Welcome to our Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison of two fantastic ice makers, the elegant green model and the sleek coal black version. Both machines are designed to produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them perfect for parties, home use, or even your office. They share many features, but there are subtle differences that might sway your decision. Let's take a closer look at their design, performance, and energy efficiency. Let's start with the design of these ice makers. The elegant green model stands out with its vibrant color, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen or bar. In contrast, the coal black model offers a classic and versatile look that can blend seamlessly into any decor. Both designs are compact and feature a user-friendly control panel, but your choice may come down to personal aesthetic preference. Both models excel in performance, capable of producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid production rate is perfect for those who need ice on demand, whether for a party or a casual gathering. With a daily capacity of 26.5 pounds, both machines ensure you won't run out of ice anytime soon, making them reliable choices for heavy use. When it comes to energy efficiency, the coal black model takes the lead with a lower power consumption of 77 watts, compared to the elegant green's 105 watts. This difference not only impacts your electricity bill, but may also affect the longevity of the machine. If energy efficiency is a priority for you, the coal black model might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the elegant green and coal black Sweetcrispy Countertop ice makers offer excellent performance and features for anyone in need of a reliable ice maker. Your choice ultimately depends on your personal style and energy efficiency preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.